I have to mention first na this is not only prevalent in Cagayan. No? I have received also information that this phenomenon is happening also in Subic and key strategic location na sa tingin natin may impact sa national security. No? Dagdaan sa mga Chinese students. But of course, ang gusto ko lang din iparating dito is the importance of national security to local leaders. Kasi ako taga Cagayan ako, may mga kamag-anak at pamilya rin akong nag-isip doon because of this revelation that I did. At ang mahirap dito, the issue of local politics. No? Dahil by next year, there will be midterm elections. And they might be using this also for their own political agenda. Itong investigation na ito, itong Chinese students na ito, hopefully sana hindi ganun yung mangyari. No? We wanted to know transparency from local and national government. Why we have influx of Chinese students amid geopolitical tension. Yun ang issue dito. Hindi yun dahil because of local politics or whatsoever. Okay. No? Ang gusto natin mangyari, sana yung mga local politicians natin, matuto rin sila dito sa mga aral na ng power contestation na nangyayari dito sa ating mga probinsya, and of course to appreciate the value of national security because we are trying to save our country and to protect the national sovereignty of the Philippines.